Okay, so how do you record a selfie video on the iPhone? It is pretty simple to do, but you should know about some different things. At first, locate the camera app. It is supposed to be somewhere on the home screen, and if not, swipe all the way to the right to the list of all of the apps. Click on the search bar at the top, which is going to show you the list of all of the available apps sorted alphabetically. So scroll down to find the C, and you'll be able to get to the camera. Anyways, once you have the camera, just click on it, but what you can also do is to hold down on it and click on a selfie. So it will get you to the selfie where you can take a picture of yourself. However, this doesn't take the video. For this, swipe over to the video and you can now record a selfie video. So it's as simple as that. But if you just happen to be always in the normal camera mode, what you have to do in this case, as you probably have noticed, is to simply click on the rotate button in the lower right corner, and if you rotate it like this, you can now start recording a video on your iPhone using the selfie camera, which is very useful, something to know about, and it's really simple. However, as I touched on just the selfie photos in at the beginning of the video, it doesn't matter that you cannot take a video like this, because of course, if you take a live photo like this, you're gonna notice that the live photo still moves a bit. So yeah, it's something that does move, so perhaps it could be considered to be a video. But also you can hold down on the white shutter button like this, and it turns it into a video, and you can even like slide to the right to lock it, and now you're capturing video right from the selfie mode. So this is very useful as well. It's called the quick take video. It's gonna be of lower resolution. It's 1080p max, so that's something to know about as well. But yeah, this is how you can take a selfie video on the iPhone. So besides that, there isn't really much to talk about, of course, but definitely join the Foxtech educational platform, because this is something that is worth talking about. I created it and you can join it for free, where you can find the social media section for video editing courses and in-depth iPhone guides and other people already learning as well. So definitely something to check out. It's linked in the description, free again, as I said. So go ahead and check it out right now. Subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and I will see you in the future videos.